What's up, guys? Hardware Gaming Nerd and Legends Gaming's YouTube series back with the video. 2 channels with 1 video. No editing needed. Let's get into it. Today we're going to be talking about why your PC case fan filters matter. Okay, now let's look at this guy for example. Let's see. It's not as... oh wait, wrong one. Boom. Take a look, guys. All that white stuff is just dust. All that is dust. Let me get a better view. Yeah, there you go. Kind of see all that is dust, guys. And then that's just the front. But guys, imagine all that being inside your filter, inside of your fans, inside of your PC, inside of your graphics card or CPU cooler. That would have affected and caused your PC to overheat, your CPU to overheat, your graphics card to overheat. All those little, you see those heat sinks, those ribs, I call them. Those metal stuff. I'm not sure what those are called. Comment down below if you guys know. But those heat fins, or whatever they're called, heat sink fins, they would have been clogged up, and you would have to clean them. Your graphics card, you would have to dismantle the whole thing, and then have to clean them. Now, let's talk about the top. Let's talk about the top case. I mean, they were both evenly dirty, but I just cleaned the front one just to see how actually dirty it is. But here's the one I did not touch, the top one. You guys could see that perfectly. Even away from the light. It literally shows you where the fans were, the size of the fans, everything. It actually matches. Like, look at that, guys. Literally, it looks like vacuum dust that vacuums pull in. But guys, all that would have effectively impacted your PC fan cooling capacity in a very negative way. I don't even run my fans at 100%. I only ran a stress test once or twice. The first time was after I built it, I think. Second time I did it just for fun. So these fans never even went 100%. I don't even remember how it sounds 100%. But guys, look. 2 months, I think. Look how dusty it is. You don't even need no light to see it. And look. It looks like 2. You know what? Anyway. Yeah. It literally looks like the fans. All that could have been inside your PC, guys. If you don't want to eat this, neither does your PC. So if you're not gonna lick it up, don't expect your PC to want to do the same thing. Like your dentist says when he's scrubbing your teeth, he goes with the little needle thingy. He scrapes your teeth. He's like, "You want to put this on your tongue?" He's like, and if you say no, he's like, "Yeah, I didn't think so." Same thing with your PC. Your PC doesn't want to have to struggle with this. It's gonna literally kill your fans because you're gonna have to work harder because your PC overheats. And that's why your fans have a short lifetime. So yeah, guys, I'll be right back when I'm done cleaning this. Here's the before. This one's not as dirty because I just wanted to run my finger over it. Actually, yeah, let's actually do this real quick. Look, guys, look how satisfying it is. You can't really see it on my finger. Yeah. Yeah, I can't really see it, but let's just... Try to get a lot. Yeah, guys. But look, it's already so much cleaner. Already so much cleaner. And then I'll be right back, guys, with some cleaning supplies. Okay, guys, I am back. And I got the filter and the cleaning supply. This is how you actually could clean it if you don't want to make it wet and wait for it to dry. Or just don't want to make it wet. Or just for whatever reason, you could use your regular wet wipes. I'm out of breath. I'm about to start sweating. And yeah, just effectively clean it. Like so. Oh wait, we're gonna have to let it dry anyway. Or I mean, you could use napkin and just dry it. Yeah, see? So much cleaner. That's just water. Or the chemicals. After it dries, let me just use my shirt. A lot cleaner, guys. You could also do this. Oh wait, my PC case is open. That fans will suck it up. You guys. Ah! The fans. Ah! Anyways. Just do it away from the computer. And there you go. Nice as new. Clean and everything. And then you would just go back to reinstalling it, guys. Yeah, guys. If you ever notice your computer's overheating, this is the case. Clean your PC case and be happy. See ya.